Hello there and welcome to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops, and today I'm going to show you how to make this little fella, and this is a one balloon tiger. Now all the detail is in the face and the ears and the sort of front part of the mouth and that kind of thing. The rest after that, after you've done the face, that's the difficult bit. The rest is just literally all the same, almost the same for a one balloon dog. So the hard bits in the face, you need to be able to do pinch twists. So go on YouTube, put balloon modelling pinch twists or pinch twist in, and you'll probably find a load of tutorials how to do that. But the secret is you want your balloon to be nice and soft and flexible, because if you're doing pinch twists and you've slightly overinflated it, the chances are your balloon's going to pop on you. So let's get started. And you want to inflate your balloon, and you want a good 5 fingers, possibly 6 fingers, but ideally you want that balloon to be nice and soft. So give it a really good stretch and squeeze before you start. I'm going to start with about a 4-finger bubble. Pinch it between my fingers, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a 2-finger bubble. Then I'm going to do 3 1-finger bubbles, and then I'm going to finish up with a 2-finger bubble. So that's what you should have. Now I'm going to take here, you twist it into here. You want a nice gap here. That's going to close up after you've done a pinch twist here and a pinch twist here. So you pull your balloon up and just twist 2 or 3 times. You do the same on this side. And you still should have a small gap just there. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a really small 1-finger bubble, just like that, and I'm going to push it through this gap here. So that's the back. Now you can cut that off, or you can tie it off, maybe around one of the ears if you want. Nobody's going to see that. They're only going to see the front of the tiger. So it's up to you what you do. And as you can see, we've got the front of the tiger, the 2 ears, sort of really big head. So the rest is a one balloon dog. So I'm going to do a really about 3-4 fingers for the front legs. Just twist them in, do a lock twist, just there, in the front, and about 4 fingers for the body, 4-finger bubble. And then you're going to do your back legs in exactly the same way that you've done the front legs. So about 3 fingers, 3-finger bubble there, another 3-finger bubble. That's what you should have. Twist that where you've got pinched your fingers into the end of the back. Twist. Now that's a massive tail for a tiger. So what you can do nice and easily, do a really small bubble. Just pinch it there where you've made the twist. Pinch it off. I find that's the easiest way to sort of just to pop balloons off. Let a lot of the air out, not all of the air out. It's up to you how long you want the tiger's tail to be. You don't want it too long. I think that's all right. Now you can cut this bit off with a pair of scissors just above the knot. And This is probably what makes the tiger, the kind of the decoration, the artwork at the end. So I'm going to start with its nose. And I sort of do an upside down triangle and then I colour it in. Just like that. And then I do the eyes, so that's on the bubble that's between the ears. And now I'm going to put these sort of stripes that the tigers are really well known for. So I'm just going to do some tiger stripes. And you can put them on other parts of the body as well. And there you have an absolutely fab looking one balloon tiger. Arr! Arr! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, be sure to hit me up with a like. Make sure that you subscribe. That's the best way that you can show that you like the content, and it's the biggest sign of support that you can give this channel. So if you do watch these videos and you like magic, balloon modelling and juggling, and you've watched a few of the videos, please subscribe. It only takes a moment. There you go, you've probably already subscribed. So once again, thank you for watching. Until next time, this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.